Guys, 1066 this might be 1066. I don't even know if oh my god. It's not 1066. Not even 1066, but yo, that's got an SC-78 horn. That's cool. I hate when it's gonna be loud. An SC-78 or a K5LA horn on a ES-40 or a AC-44 400. I don't even know if this might be the one that is the DPU. I don't even know if this is even a DPU or something. Like, somebody's got to tell me at least. That one's going on a sweat show. This one's probably not going to be 1066. Because 1066 is going to be like around over there. Like going south. But who knows? Like maybe 1066 might. But yeah, not the train though. It's not the train. Or maybe it is. Maybe it's a DPU. Because it doesn't really show on the photo. That sucks. How this is not the locomotive. Oh look! Yo, look, it's a commercial aircraft. But yeah, cool. But I don't know if 1066 is coming on this train or something. Because I heard it's going to be on that track, southbound. This is northbound, by the way, if you guys are wondering. But yeah, Norfolk Southern. I think it's all Norfolk Southern I'm catching right now. Look at that commercial aircraft though. That's crazy that commercial aircraft was like in the air. Bro, look at this, bro. It's hauling like damaged, almost kind of like broken train cars a bit, like splitted. Look, like this one right here. This one's not really like this one. See, it's bent. Conrail though, that's cool. Like bent train cars a bit. I hope this might be, oh my gosh, it's shaking. Look, see, another bent train car right here. Like, how do these things get bent? Like, every time. I never seen train cars like this. Look, see, another bent one. This might be a long train. I don't even know. I think 1066 might be in this because this is a very long train. Except there was actually two units on that locomotive, on this locomotive. So, I don't know. Where are you, 1066? I love you. Oh, it's a train kind of slowed down a bit. Yeah, the train's kind of slowing down a bit.